Loki.
Maromo apisa mag obila 350 mawuok e counties 21 e pachoka oyudo puonj ewi kedo gi lwenje mag kit chwech mathoro mako jok mamine gi jok manyiri e thurka. Jagoro maduong' mar od bura Aurelia Rono owacho ni nitie dwaro mar duoko chien kata tieko midhiero makama mosebedo ka medore piny maru. Korka kore jalup ogai mar obila Eliud Lagat oyango okenge mowinjore obila kawe buche makamagi kowacho ni thoth buchegi ok chopi e doho. Jokanyo e sekta mar kedo gi lwenje mag kit chwech bende opako mokalo puonj makamano.
It's a really noble program to have police officers because they are the very first contact point to the survivors or the victims of gender-based violence. So the training that has been given to them, I believe, will go a long way in supporting the victims or the survivors to access justice and the support that they need.
The year after, which is April 2024 to March 2025, we supported 3,403 survivors, with 112 being teenage pregnancies. Out of course, 95 and 34 of them were with disabilities. And out of these 2,550 actually referred by the police to us.
We in the National Police Service are now taking a robust program to make sure that the gender-based desks are isolated from the normal areas of police operations, and at the same time, of course, train officers to handle these victims in a manner that confidentiality takes precedence.